to Virtual Desk Solution, where we teach basic computer classes. If you're new or you're just getting started to learn computer, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to take you or to show you how to create checkbox, and basically what checkbox are. They're used to tick or select what you're planning to do in a list. So for example, if you're planning to do something and you have written it down, you can go on ticking as you do that task. You tick. And how to put a checkbox? You come to this section, home, then come to insert, then click checkbox. And as you can see, you already have a checkbox here. If you click inside, it ticks, and as you can see, it changes to true. If you uncheck, it changes to false. The same thing happens here. You just select that cell and then click checkbox. Select this item, you'll just come to this section and tick. To remove the tick, you uncheck like that. And as you can see, the function changes to false. The same applies, or you can also decide to drag the cell downwards to copy the function at the top. For example, if you have already created the report, you come to this section and check. If you have sent an email, you check. If you have sent a follow-up email, you check. If you need to call the client, this one can remain until you make call to the client. And once you make the call to the client, you can come and check all your checkbox. To remove checkbox, you'll just need to select all the cells and then click delete. And once you click delete, you can always come here and delete, then come and just like that, remove. You select the cell, then click delete. You select the cell and then click delete. You select the cell, then you press delete. And that's how you basically create a checkbox. And that brings us to the end of today's topic. If you relate to this kind of content, kindly consider subscribing, and see you in the next video.